welcome back to my channel. My name is Dalia. I'm a professional Latin dancer and I specialize in salsa and bachata. In this video we have a footwork challenge for bachata. So it's about 8 elements and we're going to repeat it 4 times. We're just going to go straight to dancing to the music. Follow along. If you have any issues, you can skip to the next section where I break down every single element. But this is going to be a great foundation for you once you start learning fancier patterns. So I suggest you do this for the next 2 weeks, every single day, and you will see the difference. You're welcome.
A los cuantos tragos me olvido de ella.
ENCINO de nuevo, mami. Grupo
Extra.
Ay, yo.
Quisiera morirme de una borrachera, porque esto de amarte me trajo problemas. A través del vaso ya miro tu cara, las ganas de verte no se van con nada. Tengo mucha prisa por ir a buscarte, luego me arrepiento, me gana el coraje. Fue la decepción más grande que he tenido. Lo que tú me hiciste es lo peor que he vivido. Dime, cantinero, tú sabes de penas. A los cuantos tragos me olvido de ella. Ella me cambió por unas monedas y hoy quiere volver, mejor que no vuelva. Porque ya no quiero saber de su vida. Recordar sus besos solo me lastima. Y a través del vaso yo la sigo viendo, porque como un loco la sigo queriendo, la sigo queriendo. Tengo mucha prisa por ir a buscarte, luego me arrepiento, me gana el coraje. Fue la decepción más grande que he tenido. Lo que tú me hiciste es lo peor que he vivido.
¿Cómo dice?
Dime, cantinero, tú sabes de penas. A los cuantos tragos me olvido de ella. Ella me cambió por unas monedas y hoy quiere volver, mejor que no vuelva. Porque ya no quiero saber de su vida. Recordar sus besos solo me lastima. Y a través del vaso yo la sigo viendo, porque como un loco la sigo queriendo, la sigo queriendo.
ENCINO de nuevo, mami. Grupo
Extra.
Ay, yo.
Quisiera morirme de una borrachera, porque esto de amarte me trajo problemas. A través del vaso ya miro tu cara, las ganas de verte no se van con nada. Tengo mucha prisa por ir a buscarte, luego me arrepiento, me gana el coraje. Fue la decepción más grande que he tenido. Lo que tú me hiciste es lo peor que he vivido. Dime, cantinero, tú sabes de penas. A los cuantos tragos me olvido de ella. Ella me cambió por unas monedas y hoy quiere volver, mejor que no vuelva. Porque ya no quiero saber de su vida. Recordar sus besos solo me lastima. Y a través del vaso yo la sigo viendo, porque como un loco la sigo queriendo, la sigo queriendo. Tengo mucha prisa por ir a buscarte, luego me arrepiento, me gana el coraje. Fue la decepción más grande que he tenido. Lo que tú me hiciste es lo peor que he vivido.
¿Cómo dice?
Dime, cantinero, tú sabes de penas. A los cuantos tragos me olvido de ella. sigo viendo, porque como un loco la sigo queriendo, la sigo queriendo.
Alright, you guys, welcome to the breakdown. So we're going to explain element number 1, which is the one staying in place. To make it easier for everyone, I'm just going to turn around so you can just copy me. So, and I'm going to do, I'm going to start with the left leg, which is how the leader or gentleman usually starts. Ladies or followers always start with the right, okay? So I'm going to turn around and I'm going to start with the left. The first element is just basic in place, so we pretty much just step in place. 1, 2, 3, tap, 5, 6, 7, tap. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, and now for element number 2, we have the basic going sideways. So just remember, just to make it much easier for yourself, we're only working with the regular timing of bachata, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Every 4 and 8, we just do a tap, which means just touching the floor, not putting any weight on that leg. Okay, so I'm going to turn around, I'm going to start with the left, and I'm going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I step, close, step, tap, step, close, step, tap. Alright, now for element number 3, we have the basic going forward and back. Now again, I'm going to turn around and I'm going to start with the left. We go 5, 6, 7, 8. Starting going forward, we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Simple. Okay guys, now for element number 4 is the box step, and literally we are trying to draw a box on the floor. And if you have any questions, you can always write it down in the comment box. Alright, so let's start with half of the box. We go step, step, yes. Now we go forward, step, tap, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have to go to the right, 5, 6, 7, 8. Remember, the whole goal is to create a box on the floor. We go again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, you guys, now for element number 5, we have the rock steps. So if you don't know what the rock step is when we step one direction and then we just switch the weight to the other leg. Okay, let's try it. Starting with the left, we go forward, back, and then put the leg close to the right and tap. We repeat with the right, forward, back, close, and tap. One more time, and please notice that I'm angling my body first diagonally to the right and then diagonally to the left. Let's try that one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, you guys, now for element number 6, we have the tap, tap, slide. So, starting with the left, I'm going to turn around, and here I angle my body a little bit, you know, towards the side that I'm going, and I go, touch the floor, step and slide. Touch the floor, step and slide. Now with the count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright guys, now let's get to element number 7 and number 8, which is the right turn and the left turn. I'm going to turn around so you can see better. And so for the first part of it, we're going to do half of the basic. Remember, we're starting with the left, so we go half of the basic, and then we're going to replace the second half of the basic with the turn. So we're here, we go 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then on 5, 6, 7, 8, we continue the same movement, going towards the right, and we turn 5, 6, 7, 8. We are trying to complete the turn by 6, but it's okay if you cannot complete it by 6 and on 7 you're still like, getting there, but ideally you want to be there by 6 so you can regain your balance, okay? So we go one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For element number 8, it's going to be the same concept, but now this time we are going to turn to the left. So right away we start with the left leg. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then second half of the basic is going to be your 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try it one more time. We go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And because you stayed all the way until the end, bonus, which means extra information. And this is going to be on the turns. I'm going to give you 2 super important points that you need in order to achieve a really successful turn. Of course, there is more than 2, but with these 2, you're going to make it happen. Okay, so let's get ready. We're going to do first the right turn, and I'm going to be facing you so I can demonstrate what I'm talking about. So the first point is going to be momentum, yes? So now, I'm going to go half of the basic, and remember right now I'm facing you, I'm not mirroring you, I'm starting with my left. So just pay attention and then you can try it by yourself. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4. If you notice, it's just a little bit noticeable right now that I'm turning my body a little bit towards the opposite direction that I'm going to, yes? So why? Because I want to add momentum. It's called winding up, okay? So with my torso, I can add that extra strength, and then the more I open up, the more momentum I'm going to have and the more turns I'm going to be able to achieve. So I'm here just tiny bit because I only want 1 turn, and then I go 5, 6, 7, 8. Find a point in front of you, or even if you want to the side, yeah? And then at the end, when you can't anymore, just snap your head. So starting with the left on 1, turning right away, we go, find your spot, 2, snap, 3, 4. And that's it, you guys. So if you like my video so far, please don't forget to click on the like button, and please subscribe to my channel and share with your friends, and click on the notification button so you will not miss a thing. And if you have any comments, any questions, any concerns, please make sure to write it down in the comment box below. And see you guys next time.